What is up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's Jesse here, and for today's video I am going to be testing out some TikTok life hacks, and I'm gonna see if they are legit or not. So we are gonna go through them, see if they work, and yeah, so if you guys would like to see this video, then keep on watching.
This is how you make art on Snapchat. And then you can add an emoji.
Alright, you guys, I'm back here with the very first hack. We do have an issue because on the video the girl slides her phone. I guess she had a nice phone case that was able to slide, but my phone case is silicone, so this thing does not slide. So you guys can check. I leave it there and it does not move at all. But I did find a solution. I did get a Lazy Susan, and my sister's in the background. I did get a Lazy Susan, so we're gonna put the phone on there and test out this first life hack. Also, my mom is singing in the background, so if you hear someone singing, that is my mom. Alright, you guys, so I took a picture of nothing, so that's how you want to leave it, and then you're just gonna hit the pen, go all the way to white, and now let's start spinning this. I kind of got it, but then I went a little bit off. It's a little bit hard. It looks easier than it seems. So now we're gonna go with a little yellow moment. Okay, so that is what it's looking so far. It looks a little bit of a mess, but now we're gonna try the emoji. I'm gonna hit the laughing emoji.
Oh shoot, my phone went off. Okay.
You guys, this is a mess. Can you even see it on here? Okay, this looks like a mess. I'm sure if you guys practice this, you'll get the hang of it, but it's a little bit hard. And this is what I got on my screen. Alright, you guys, for this next hack, I made my own stencil because I don't have stencils. You guys can do it out of paper. I did mine today out of sticker paper, so it just says HD on there. And I don't have any coffee ready, so I'm just gonna test it out on a plate, and then we're just gonna use some cinnamon on top. Alright, you guys, so I have the stencil on a plate, and I'm gonna be using some cayenne pepper, so I'm gonna sprinkle this. And let's see if this stencil works. So I'm gonna do it slowly. Oh, okay. Okay, I think I got an even coat. Let me show you guys how it looks from the top. So that is what it looks like. It looks pretty good to me, and now we're gonna do the reveal. Alright, I'm a little bit nervous, so let's... Okay, I have to be careful with this. Oh my god, you guys. So this TikTok hack is a success. It would have been better on coffee, but you know, on a plate it worked. So yeah, shout out to the person. It actually worked.
Okay, I saw this on TikTok and I need to see if it's true. So you take one of these things, you stick it up through the butt of a lemon, I guess. And then you just squeeze it out and it's like a, wow! It actually works!
Alright, you guys, so I did make a hole with this metal straw. This thing actually worked. I didn't think it was gonna work that good, but if you guys do not have a skewer, you guys can use a straw or a knife or anything. So it stuck like that and it worked. This lemon was not so big, so it didn't have much juice, but I did manage to get like that much, which I don't know if that's a lot, so it was pretty cool. You get no seeds, and look, it still has some more juice. So I think this life hack is pretty cool, and it is a success. Would I do this again? Probably not. I just cut up the lemon or the lime and then just squeeze it like that. Alright you guys, so for this last hack, it is the one that I am most excited to try. It is the DIY slushie in 10 minutes, I believe. So you don't need a blender or any of that stuff. I got my 2 Ziploc bags. So the first one is the one with ice and salt, and then for the second one I'm using just some orange juice. So I'm gonna give this a mix and then let's see if it turns into a slushie. So I'm moving outside because it's making a mess inside, it's leaking, so I'm gonna shake it out here. Alright you guys, so it's been about 5 minutes of me shaking this thing, and honestly I'm glad I came outside because this thing does not stop leaking. It's not leaking, but it's dropping water because the ice is melting. But anyway, we're gonna check if this thing made a slushie basically. So let's get a little bag. Oh my gosh, no. Okay, I barely put anything in here. As you guys can see, this is like not even a cup. But this thing is cold. So it is cold, but it did not turn into a slushie. I don't know. Maybe if you do this longer, it'll turn into a slushie. It is really cold, so I'm gonna try it and see if there's any. Okay, it tastes cold, but I mean, it's not a slushie, and I would just much rather put it in a blender than shake it for like 20 minutes. But yeah, so that hack was a fail. Maybe it works if you do it longer, but I don't got time for that, so yeah. Alright you guys, if you guys made it this far into today's video, make sure to comment TikTok. I will be looking at your comments, liking, replying back to everyone. Also, please give this video a big thumbs up. I would really appreciate that. And also subscribe if you guys are new to my channel. Anyway, with that being said, I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace.